What's up, everybody? I know we've done a couple videos on my project car already, but I never actually showed you what my project car looks like. So, ta-da! Here she is. It's a 91 Nissan 240SX Coupe. Now, before you say anything, I know what you're already thinking. This car is ugly as hell. It needs a lot of work. Now, yes, I do agree. I've been collecting lots of parts here that I will be installing onto the car. Just to give you a little history, I did buy this car over 10 years ago. It was originally red. I have done some videos already. I did like the front suspension, I did some 5-lug, I did a bunch of wiring work. You'll notice this nice pretty intercooler in the front. I did do the swap already. A lot of work has gone into this thing before I actually decided to start making some videos of it, but this looked exactly the same as when I bought it, minus the red part, and there was no hood. There is a hood on it now, but it did have the Silvia front fenders. It did have that roll bar that you see pictured right over there. It is removed because it doesn't fit with my current seat setup, but this is how the car looks. It is bone stock body. Body is pretty straight. I did have to work a couple of dents out and stuff, but the rear quarter panels are really nice. So some people are gonna hate me that over fenders are gonna go on this thing, but it is what it is. That's what I wanted. So this is some of the parts I've been stockpiling. Got a bumper, front bumper, some side skirts. I got the rest of the Silvia front that's gonna go on, the headlight, side markers, grille, all that stuff. Got some side mirrors. Picked up some charge speed over fenders that are gonna go on. I did test fit this stuff. I got excited to try to put it on and it didn't fit properly. It needed some more adjustments. So I made the adjustments and now I'm going to try to put all this stuff on and hopefully it goes well. So wish me luck. So here's what the 240 looks like with the S13 front end fully installed. I put in the headlights, the corner lights, the grille. This is the body kit that I'm going with. It's an M Sports body kit that needed a ton of repair. So I did about 24 repairs on it, cracks and whatnot. This is the charge speed 50mm over fenders. You can tell this is definitely 50mm. The way it just pokes out, so it looks pretty awesome. It's gonna look really well with the new wheels that I'm going with. But overall, this driver's side installed pretty easily. Didn't have any issues with this side so much. The problems really came from this passenger side over here. So there was a bunch of extra fiberglass all underneath here and underneath here and underneath here, so it wasn't letting this over fender sit on correctly. So I got all that stuff taken care of and it fits much better now. This top part, there was a bit of a lip that overhung this window area, so I took that off and grinded it down so it looks a lot better. This back bumper right here was a little bit short after I installed the over fenders, so I made a cut and I extended that with some fiberglass. I had to do the same thing to the side skirt because the front portion right here wasn't lining up correctly, so I cut it and re-fiberglassed it, extended it. So now the body kit fits on really easily. So really happy with how it is fitting now and how it looks. So I have a couple of pinholes from all the body work that I was doing on the kit. So I'm gonna glaze all those little pinholes and then get this guy ready for some primer.